Hello everyone, the topic is properties of conductor in external electric field E. So we have a conductor A, B, C, D. This conductor is placed in uniform external field from left side to right side E naught. When this conductor is placed in external electric field, then the electron move from this side CD to AB side. So here is a positive charge appear on CD side and negative charge appear on AB side, because here is a loss of electron, here is a gain of electron. So here is a new electric field set up inside this conductor from right side to left side. This field is EI. If E is the resultant field, so we have two field, one is E naught external field, one is internal field EI. So total field or resultant field is equal to external field minus internal field, E naught minus EI. The displacement of the electron in the conductor continue till internal or external field both become equal. When the external field is equal to internal field, then the displacement of the electron in the conductor totally stop. So in this case, electric field is equal to 0. Second property is net charge in the interior of conductor is 0. So if the charge in the interior of conductor is 0, then the electric field inside the conductor is 0. By Gauss theorem, we know that flux through a closed surface is equal to 1 by epsilon times the charge enclosed by any closed surface. So if no charge present inside the conductor, then in this case charge is equal to 0. So electric field become 0. So if we put here E is equal to 0, then totally it's equal to 0 and Q is equal to 0. Third property is charge always resides. Charge always resides on the outer surface of charge conductor. On the outer surface of a charged conductor. So when some charge from the outside is given to conductor, the conductor is charged. This charge always reside on the outer surface of conductor because charge inside the conductor is 0. Because charge inside the conductor is 0. Fourth property, at the surface of charged conductor, the electrostatic field is perpendicular to surface at every point. At surface of charged conductor, electrostatic field is perpendicular to surface at every point. So we have a surface. Consider here P is a point. So here are two components of electric field. This angle is theta. This is E cos theta. This is E sin theta. This is the charged conductor. Charged conductor. So according to electrostatic condition, charge stop flowing on the surface of conductor. When the charge stop flowing on the surface of conductor, in this case this component E cos theta, it is equal to 0. Then theta is equal to 90 degree because cos 90 is equal to 0. So E is always perpendicular to the surface of conductor. Fifth property is The electrostatic potential is constant throughout the volume of conductor. We know that electric field is negative of gradient of potential. So electric field inside the conductor is 0. Inside conductor, because charge always reside on the outer surface of conductor. Here is no charge inside the conductor. So if E is equal to 0, put here E is equal to 0. So dV by dr is equal to 0. Derivative of any quantity is equal to 0 means V is constant. So potential is constant. Thank you.